Want your child to experience the convenience of online shopping with their Revolut Junior card, but need to keep things safe? Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable online shopping, maintain control, and ensure responsible spending, all in under 90 seconds. First, grab your phone and open the Revolut app. This is super important, as you, the parent or guardian, control these settings. Once you're in the app, tap the More tab located typically on the bottom right of your screen. Now find and select Junior. This will take you to your Revolut Junior dashboard. Next, select the specific Revolut Junior account you want to manage. If you have multiple children using Revolut Junior, be sure to select the right one. Look for the settings icon. It's the little gear usually in the top right corner, and tap it. Scroll down until you see online transactions. It probably says it is disabled right now, so tap the toggle to switch it on. This part is crucial. Review and adjust the spending limits in that same settings area. Discuss responsible spending habits with your child. You can also review their transaction history anytime to monitor their purchases. And that's it. You've successfully enabled online shopping for your child's Revolut Junior card while maintaining control and promoting safe spending. Happy shopping!